welcome back to Sharu's journey. So I haven't made a video in a long time, and today I decided that you and I are going to be having some fun with science. I love science so much because of all the reactions that happen, and sometimes science turns out to be magic as well. So some of these experiments which we are going to be doing require adult supervision, so please make sure that you have your parents. I have my mother shooting this video, so I have adult supervision with me. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first experiment we are going to be doing is called invisible ink. I know it sounds magic, but it's really exciting as well. But the things you need are lemon juice. All you have to do is squeeze a lemon and take out the juice. A thin paintbrush, a plain white paper or sheet, and an iron. Now what we're gonna do first, now that needs adult supervision, so now what we're gonna do first, I'm gonna take the paintbrush and dip it into the lemon juice, and we're gonna type a message. So I'll just write Now I'm gonna let this dry, so it's gonna take a lot of time. So until then, I'm gonna heat up the iron. Okay. Now you have to wait. So if your paper is not dry enough and you are starting heating with your iron, then the paper will burn. It will just burn, and you don't want that. And if you don't want to do with the iron, you can do it with the candle as well. All you have to do is wait until the paper dries, and you have to take the candle and you have to just spread it wherever you have written the message all over the paper, and then invisible ink. Alright, my paper is all dry, and as you can see, you can't see what message I have written, right? Right. So I think I have written the message on this side. So you have to iron it on the opposite side. So I'm just gonna ask my mom to do the iron part. So sorry, my power. Alright, that's enough. And now I'm gonna see the next side. It can take some time. I think it's written here. Alright. It's appearing slowly and slowly, as you can see. You won't see it really clearly right now, but it's appearing slowly. As you can see, I've written hey. Alright, so now you can see the message that I've written. On the camera, it won't really come nicely, but as you can see, I have written the message hey, and I have a smiley face right there. Alright, now on to the next experiment. Okay, so the next experiment is really interesting. So this experiment's name is ice cube fishing. Normally when you go fish fishing, it's really different, but this time it's ice cube fishing, and it's really amazing. So the ingredients you need are ice cubes, a thread of probably 30 centimeter, cold water, and table salt. So first I'm gonna pour this cold water into this beaker, and I'm gonna take 30 centimeter of this thread. This is enough, I think. Okay, this much. Alright. This much, 30 centimeter. And I'm gonna put into the cold water so it is all wet. Next, I'm gonna take an ice cube on smooth surface, and now I'm gonna take the thread out. Okay, now I'm gonna put it over the ice cube, and then I'm gonna watch. You see, the ice near the thread is gonna melt. Only the ice near the thread is melting, and slowly and steadily the thread will stick to the ice, and then you can ice cube fish. You can add more ice cubes if you then you sprinkle some salt over it, as you can see. Now if you see, the thread will stick to the ice, and then you can ice cube fish. As you can see, that's really interesting. You can add more ice cubes as well. So I'm gonna add more ice cubes. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt over that particular ice cube. So add more, just 2 more. This is really an interesting experiment, as you guys can see. And now I'm gonna sprinkle some salt. And make sure you keep some distance between the ice cubes. Okay, it will take a lot of time for the thread to stick, but not that much. Then later you can go ice cube fish. 2 of them have stuck, but it's just sprinkle more salt on them, and make sure you keep the distance between the ice cubes. And then okay, now at the alright, now as you can see, you have kept distance. Alright, then it's time to ice cube fish. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Sharu's Journey, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Try this experiment. It's really interesting. Bye. Bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sharu's Journey, and please try these experiments home. They're really, really interesting. Bye.